In this video, you're going to learn how to access and copy the newly released ministry course content into your courses. So within the last few days, the ministry has released a whole set of new master courses that you're going to be able to download and use in your courses if you wish. So in order to access these courses, you're going to use the course copy icon in your nav bar. Now, if you don't have a course copy icon in your nav bar, you can click on these three dots, go to customize this nav bar. There you can search for the link or add a link and search for the course copy link and then add it to your nav bar and use it from there. Now there is a complete list of these courses listed where you launch this video. You can preview them there. You can also preview them through the course copy tool, but in order to copy them, you need to use this tool. So this is the same tool that you would use to copy in previous master course content or any of your past course content. So here we have that choice for past or master course. We're going to select master course, and these are all secondary courses. So these secondary courses, we're going to hit select. Now you can see there is quite a long list of master courses. Now, the old versions of the courses that were just released are there still, just in case you use those. They will be removed at some point. But for now, if you just want to take a look at those new courses, in the filter box here, we can just type 2022 because that was the release date, and you'll see them here. So these are all the courses that they have just released in 2022. So depending on whichever course you want, you're going to select it. So let's say we wanted the new MCV4U or Calculus Vectors course. We have the option to copy it right into our course now or preview it. So if I did click on preview, it's going to take us into that course, and we're going to be able to take a look at it. We can look through the assignments, the quizzes, or even just take a look at the content. So if we take a look at the content, you're going to see it's all here. So you're going to be able to go through all of the content and take a look at it. Now, if you want to be able to add that into your course, we can just go back to that copy tool that we were using here, and then simply hit copy. So if we now want that into our course, it's going to copy it into the course where we launched this from. So that was in that sandbox course I was in. So we hit copy. It's going to say this will copy all of the components of this course into, and it will actually list the course it's going into, just so you're clear. If we click yes, then that process has initiated successfully. So that means that this process is running in the background and it will be completed within 5 to 10 minutes usually. Sometimes if you go into your course, you'll be able to see right away that it's coming in. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. But if we go into our content here, you can see that it's already started to come in. All right, and the content is here. So that is how you're going to access and copy in any of the new master course content that was just released.